Hey, what's happening there, YouTubers and viewers of all creeds and colors and age groups? So, you want to buy a 2016 Chevrolet 2500 HD, big boy, and you're trying to find out what you think you should get, which package you should get. Well, I'm gonna try to help you out a little bit here. This is my 2016 Z71 package, 2500 HD. Appreciate y'all stopping in, by the way. This is kind of like a little review. Somebody sent me a message saying, hey man, you should review your truck. So this is a older truck. It's a 2016. It's not brand new to me. I'm sure it was brand new back in 2016, but it's a couple years old for me. But I'm just going to go over a few things to look out for and things that you should look at. So this is a LTZ, or as my Canadian family would say, LTZ. So this one here, you know, some of the features may not be the same, but this is what most of the LTZs have here. They come with the bed liner. The tonneau cover I think is extra, but this one comes with a tonneau cover. Got your backup camera. It's got your lock and tailgate. For the old fellas, you think Z71 or Z71 means that you get four-wheel drive right off the bat. That's not necessarily the truth anymore. Z71, from what I was told when I picked this one up, is the type of package, but this one does have the four-wheel drive. You'll see the four-wheel drive right here. It has four-wheel drive. It has the skid package, transfer case, you know, like they did come back in the day. Let's see, pop the hood. We are the 6.6 liter Duramax, or some of the young fellas call it the Dirty Max. This one has not been deleted or touched. You got your halogen lights with your fog lights. I like chrome on mine. I like the chrome package. I know people are blacking them out these days, and this might not look bad blacked out, but like I said, this one here, I like the chrome on it. I'm old school that way. So what I did is I had a Dodge. Well, no, let's not talk about the Dodge. Let's talk about this one here. So in 2015 and 17, they said they had a little bit of problems with them, and I'm not sure what all the problems. You'd have to look that up. But I know they say the age to get is this 2016. I don't know if it's, I don't know why the 2016 is that much better than the 15 and 17. They say it's the pump, but I even heard with the the high pressure pump, the pickup pump for the diesel, you still are going to have a situation where you got to keep your filters changed. You should keep them changed anyways, because diesel gas is dirty. The reason why I got rid of this one and got rid of my Dodge. My Dodge was a gas motor, and even on its best day, it would not see 14 miles a gallon or 13 miles a gallon. It would probably be like 11 or 12. On the open road, this thing is great. I've taken this to Canada a few times, and you can get anywhere up to 20 miles, 21 miles a gallon. This one's got the leather interior. It's got no sunroof, which I don't mind no sunroof, because this is a work truck for me. I know it's a nice work truck, but I don't mind I don't mind no sunroof. One thing I do wish it had that my Lorraine had is the perforated ventilated seats, which this one doesn't. But I mean, it's, I got it at the time of pandemic, and I got a real crazy deal on it. I could sell it right now. Well, most people can sell their cars, their trucks, for what they bought them for a couple years ago, but I can make a I can make some real good money on this one because I bought it cheap. That was when everybody thought the world was going to end. Like I said, if you guys are looking for one of these, your LTZ is going to have the leather. Most of them is going to have the leather. The all your power options, your power folding mirrors, your automatic lights, your trailer brake. It's going to have your infotainment center. This one's got your sorry, GPS, XM radio. You got your Sirius XM up there. You're going to have your OnStar. If you guys look, of course you're going to have power seats on both sides. If you guys are looking for one of these here in about this mileage, like I said, this was a used truck when I bought it. I think I bought it with like around 50,000 and there's 85,000 on it. They recommend all the fluids be changed on it at around 80 to 90,000. I got this one done by a little mechanic down the way, just to let you guys look up underneath it. Look at how beefy it is. So there's our big exhaust. Look at that. Look at that drive shaft, man. But yeah, she's a diesel, you know. She's gonna be thick. So everything is heavy duty. The brakes are heavy duty. The spring package is heavy duty. As you guys see, I've got my equipment back there. I haul about anywhere from like 14 to 16,000 pounds with this truck sometimes, any given time. Never have a problem pulling it. The diesel truck does good. Here's all our filters, brand new filters. I'm walking with you guys as I'm doing this because as I got the transmission and all that stuff changed, I want to check it out. I'm going to show you guys a real quick thing too. So your Allison Transmission, this is what I learned, which, you know, is a good thing. So you still have your filter in here, but you also have a secondary filter here. That's the reason why they say a lot of these Allison Transmissions, they get a lot of mileage out of them, because they're double filtered. There's our, I think that's your fuel filter there for your pump. It could be the oil filter, I'm not sure. Oil filter or fuel filter. Maybe the fuel filter's on the other side. Forgive me if I'm wrong. Somebody knows I'm wrong, drop me a comment. Appreciate y'all. But the only thing I don't like about this, and you know, Dodge and Chevy, I know with the diesel they usually got the fill up right here. You have to go up under the hood to feel the def, which, I mean, you know, you only do it once every few months anyway. But yeah, it's a nice rig. If you guys are looking for one, I'd say look at one like this. It's one hell of a work truck. You can't beat it. And I have not had no problems in 2 years. I think the only few things that I want to go do on it now, I think one of the mirrors doesn't fold back that great. I'm gonna get that replaced. I think it's this one here. But it's I always call it's my like some of the old guys used to call this my cowboy Cadillac when it's a truck. If you guys are in the South Carolina and Columbia area, go check these guys out. That's the one that sold me the truck. They don't pay me for this, but they give good deals, and they know their stuff, and they can sell you the truck and tell you what everything is and how things work. Some people can't do that. So anyways, I appreciate y'all coming by. Thanks for taking a look at my truck. If you got any questions or comments, leave them in the bottom. We can make another video or go over some other things about it, and you know, help you find something. Or, you know, if you guys just want to, you know, look at vehicles like I do, there you go. It's beautiful. All right, Big Sammy at you guys. Y'all take care and love one another. We'll talk to you later. Peace.